YouTube TV DVR full review. How does it work? 2025 tutorial/analysis. Here's the core features. YouTube TV's Cloud DVR offers unlimited storage with 9-month retention, supporting simultaneous recordings across all subscribed channels. Key 2025 upgrades include offline downloads and team-specific sports recording enhancements. How does it work? Add content, click plus on any show/movie/sports team to record all current and future airings. Access library. Recordings appear in the library tab organized by shows/movie/sports. Playback options. Start from the beginning during live broadcasts. Skip ads on recorded content. Download for offline viewing, $20 a month, 4K plus required. 2025 enhancements, NFL Sunday ticket integration, full game recordings through 2030 season, 4K streamlining, limited live 4K channels included in $20 add-on, home network unlimited streams, watch on unlimited devices at home. Key advantages, no storage limit, record 100 plus shows simultaneously, device flexibility, access recordings on smart TVs, mobile, and web. Profile separation, 6 user profiles with individual DVR libraries. Sports optimization, auto-record all games for added teams. Key plays, highlights for NFL/NBA. Full red zone recording capabilities. Limitations, 9-month expiry, recordings auto-delete after 270 days. No local storage, requires internet for cloud access, except offline downloads. Content restrictions, some sport events limit full game recordings. 4K costs, $20 a month extra for 4K/offline features. Tutorial recording process, search content, use magnifying glass icon to show shows, add to library, tap plus next to the desired program, manage recordings, remove shows via library, then go to manage, prioritize new episodes and settings. 2025 competitive edge. Compared to Hulu Live and Fubo, YouTube TV dominates with unlimited 9-month storage and integrated sports features. The $82.99 a month base plan includes ABC, CBS, Fox, NBC locals in most markets. YouTube TV's DVR remains best in class for cord cutters, particularly for sports fans and households needing multiple profiles. While the $20 4K add-on feels overpriced, the core DVR functionality justifies the service's premium positioning. Pro tip, use Add Team instead of individual games to ensure full season sports coverage. For NFL Red Zone, add the channel itself rather than the specific games. Subscribe.